Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on Creative Cooking. 8 chefs, 1 goal: to create the most exciting new recipes using Grace Convenience Foods and local produce, and to be the top chef of the challenge. Now, meet today's chefs and your host, Maisie Miller.
Hello, let's introduce you to today's challengers. On my left is Chef
Glendon Foster, and I'm presently working at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel.
Thank you very much. And on my right is Chef
Karl Thomas, Lillian's Restaurant, University of Technology, Jamaica.
Okay. Chef Glendon Foster, what are you preparing for us?
Today I'm going to do a grilled salmon with a vegetable chef beef flavored ravioli, and also I'll be doing some snow peas and cherry tomato for vegetable, and a tomato ketchup coconut milk vodka sauce.
Chef Thomas, what are you making for us today?
Well, the dish that I'm doing today, I call it Bundle of Joy. I'm going to be using a fillet of snapper and stuffing it with Grace mackerel, mashed potato, rolling it up in some shoestring potatoes, pan frying it, and serving it with some sweet potatoes and some market potatoes.
Now let's introduce you to our panel of judges. First, Mrs. Paulette Roden. Mrs. Roden is a certified professional chef. She's also a director of Crimson Dawn Limited. Next we have Mr. Steve Soar, the Vice President of the Culinary Federation of Jamaica and the Executive Chef of Half Moon Hotel in Montego Bay. And next to him, we have Dr. Janet Dare, the General Manager of the Runaway Bay Heart Hotel and Training Institute. Guys, you know the rules. Gentlemen, please proceed to your workstations. The challenge begins now. It's interesting that both of you should start working with sweet potatoes. Tell us what you're doing there, Chef.
Okay, presently I have my potato boiling, and now I'm going to start preparing my sauce.
You're finished working with sweet potatoes and you have moved on to dicing Irish potatoes, yes? Chef, tell us what you're doing there.
Well, I'm processing some garlic, and after that I'll do some onions. I'm
just rehydrating the vegetables.
You're making a sauce there, Chef, right?
Yeah.
You're pouring in coconut milk.
Yeah.
I'm butterflying the snapper to hold the filling of the fish and the mackerel and the potatoes.
Okay.
This is the ketchup that I'm using to get the color of the sauce, also adds more flavor.
Okay. Chef Steve, can I invite you in the kitchen to see what's happening here? You're using Grace Jack mackerel, right?
Yes, it is.
Yes, okay.
I'm just sauteing it with some more garlic and some onions to kind of intensify the flavor that it's using.
So you're using salmon steak here, Chef?
Yes.
Okay. You've added the rehydrated vegetables.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
And now I'm adding the seasoning from the packet.
Okay. Take it you're reducing a sauce here, Chef?
Yes, reducing red wine to make a syrup.
Okay. So you have used the Grace whole kernel corn with the vegetables?
Yes.
Okay. Tell us what you're doing over here, Chef?
I'm blanching the carrot, vegetables.
Okay.
Just want to let it cook a little bit.
Okay. So you drained the water from the sweet potatoes?
Some of it. I left
right.
a minute amount in there.
And now you have added the whole milk to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come back again later.
Thank you very much, Chef. Thanks.
Yep.
You have already used up 15 minutes of your time.
Okay,
Irish potatoes that's cooked, yes?
Yeah, potatoes for the fish, adding to it some salt,
Yes.
a little bit of pepper, some butter. Not a lot of butter because we don't want it to get too soft.
Okay, but you want a lovely flavor being imparted, right? Tell us what's happening over here, Chef. What are you adding there?
Right now I'm adding some mashed potato powder, which will give it a nice body.
sweet potatoes are done and you're draining them, Chef?
Yes.
The wine is reducing beautifully to the pure, yeah. What are you making here now, Chef?
I'm about to roll out the dough for the ravioli.
Sauteing seasonings here, onion,
and
garlic,
doing
and you're adding
Yeah.
bungo
This
peas.
is Grace.
Bungo peas.
Bungo peas.
Yes. 20 minutes of your cooking time. What are you making there now, Chef? Tell us what you're doing.
I'm putting the filling on for the ravioli,
Yes.
and then I'm going to cover it and then cut.
Okay. Tell us what you're doing there, Chef. You have boiled sweet potatoes and you're
Yeah, well, this is going to be
passing
from
through
starch, but
okay. Passing through a ricer.
passing through a ricer because you get a much tender product when you do this. Because you know sweet potatoes are very high in starch.
Definitely.
You don't want to have it in a mixer going round and round for an extended amount of time.
Tell us what you're doing here, Chef.
I'm just kind of
Molding.
pan-searing
Okay.
to give it a golden brown color.
Okay, you're actually okay. What's that you're pouring in, Chef?
Some heavy cream makes it much lighter and gives a little bit more flavor also.
Tell us about what you're doing there, Chef.
Okay, I have in the pot here some onions, garlic, saffron, heavy cream, half and half with Grace coconut milk.
Yes, Chef. Okay.
Now I'm going to start grilling my salmon.
Okay. Chef, interesting things are happening over there. May I invite you to come over to see what is happening?
Work going on here.
Lots of work, Chef.
Very good.
Oh, I tell you, skill at its best. What a creative way to use the mackerel.
Very good. Very interesting.
Very interesting.
This is some fresh basil,
Yeah,
and
okay.
this will give the vegetables that I have there some kick, more flavor.
Okay. So you made the potato strings and you're using them to wrap the fillet. Okay. Two minutes of preparation time remain. Time is up, guys. You have 5 minutes left to plate. And as we wait on these, our two competitors to complete, I pose this question to the panel of judges. It is commonly said that men make the better chefs. Are you here to agree or to disagree with that statement?
I'm sitting on the fence on that one, Liz.
Ladies, what do you have to say? You're here to disagree.
I'm here to disagree too.
And you know, ladies, I'll join you in disagreeing. But you will
Three
admit,
against one.
our two competitors worked beautifully today. 5, 4. Time is up. Well done, Karl. Well done, Glendon. Excellent job. Now it's all up to the judges. One chef will move on to the next round. One chef will go home. Tune in for the judges' verdict this Friday evening at 7:50 p.m. Don't miss it.
Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on creative cooking, taking Grace Convenience Foods to a new level. Who will be the top chef of the challenge? Join CBM TV for Creative Cooking every Tuesday and Friday at 7:50 p.m.